This is house one. The pools in the front, the decks, all done. Need finishing. House one. And that's house two. And that's house three. And down there is house 5. This is house number 2. To give you a tour of the inside, this is the carport, porte couche. This will be little gardens outside. That's the entrance door. And the view hits you as soon as you're in. You can see the ceilings going up. I'm going to have high ceilings. This is the lounge dining. Big picture windows. That's the corridor leading in 2 bedrooms and the kitchen. That'll be the kitchen with a nice picture window. And that's going to be a garden. Hallway again, a lot of light and air. That's another garden. This will be bedroom 2, the small one. On this side we have, the wardrobes, and that's the bathroom, and that's the bedroom, the view and balcony. Out through to the main master bedroom, and there are 2 of them. The right hand side wing is the same. That's the walk-in wardrobe, and that's your big bathroom, which will have a bathtub, and that there is the bedroom. Again with the view. Down straight through to the lounge. Lounge and dining. There's a big outdoor terrace. See the outdoor terrace. Al fresco. And that's your pool, with another big terrace for your pool bed. That's an infinity pool, and that's the view you'll get from your pool. That's the other wing.